ZETA stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Zeta Global Holdings sitting at $17.67. It's 6.85% down. And yes, I'm observing this and I'm just like, right, like it was a good demand area and it just never gave me the rules in order for me to buy. And I just did, guess what? I just never bought. For context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years and spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships, and I've documented everything. Here, after I saw like this break, I was like, right, this has a very big potential to potentially like literally clearing highs out. But it had other plans and it just kept going down. There's nothing I can do about it. I mean, for me to market like a bullish stock, at least for me, it's going to have to break through some $22 highs. But since we're so close to these lows, my 2 cents on this is that more likely than not, we're just going to clear the lows out. And I'm not even trying to exaggerate this or just sound bad, just the reality. I mean, I've seen this happen thousands of times and I'm not even exaggerating too. So you can see how much videos I've done. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.